Hey everybody, welcome back to Uncle Bud's Cookhouse. Now about you, but my niece and nephews, a little picky on the eating side. Now they use regular chicken tenders you might get from the freezer, basically as ranch delivery devices. But not when Uncle Bud cooks. I'm going to show you what I make them. So I've got here chicken fingers. I've had these marinate in the refrigerator in non-pulp, not concentrate, orange juice with a little bit of chili lime seasoning. And we're going to do a simple dredge on the day. Cornstarch, egg wash, and we got plain panko here, which we're going to spice up with more of that chili lime seasoning. So we'll give this a few good shakes. A few good taps, actually. Then we'll stir this up. And I've got a pan here. About a 1/2 inch to 3/4 inch of corn oil, since we're on a high temperature frying. Got right there about 340. We'll get to 350 and we'll start it up. Pop it up one notch. Our chicken, cornstarch. Now this will allow the egg to adhere. The egg will adhere to the cornstarch, and the egg will cause the panko to adhere to the egg and the chicken. Like so. We'll get one check with a thermometer here and make sure we're up to temp. Alright, we're up to 350. Let's start cooking. Remember, always when you're frying, lay it away from you so you don't get popped. Let's get another piece ready. Pan holds well heat since it's cast iron. A little egg wash. And more panko. Now we're going to cook these to internal temp at 165. Which is another reason to have one of these handy probe thermometers. Get one more ready. We can handle about 3 at a time in here. Alright, you notice around the first piece we put in, it's starting to go a little brown, so we're going to do a flip. Oh, look at that. That is beautiful. We'll keep on the other 2 pieces until they're also brown around the edges. Flip them too. Alright, so we got one last chicken tender in the pan. We're going to double check that internal temp. It should be ready to go. We'll look at 165 and we're at 161. That's pretty good. Carryover temp will take care of the rest. Go ahead and lay this on a paper towel lined plate. Allow that to cool down a little bit and we'll have us a taste. Alright, so let's give this a taste now they've cooled down a little bit. Don't want to burn our mouths. Crunchy. Juicy, flavorful. Only thing to top this off would be a big heaping of mac and cheese to go with it. That's pretty good. That's chicken fingers. Alright guys, thanks for joining us today here in Uncle Bud's Cookhouse. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and comment below. If you have any questions or suggestions, we're all ears. We'll see you next time.